Our time is now 6:08 a.m. And Alex, speaking of STEM, it's very important, especially when you are talking about weather. And those are careers that, you know, they pay some good money. And also, y'all, meteorologists, they make good money as well because they study a lot about the weather, and it's a lot that you all have to do with your job.
Yeah, and the really unique thing about meteorology is that it touches everyone, whether you're inside, you're outside. You need to know whether or not to turn on your AC or if you need your rain jacket as you head out to the grocery store. So yes, it's certainly an interesting career field to say the least. Let's take a live look across downtown Macon this morning. The sun is coming up on this 4th of July. Obviously, we're all looking forward to the opposite tonight, for the sun to go down. Ready for some fireworks across central Georgia. Current temperature here in Macon, 74. Dew point is at 73, so it's on the humid side this morning across central Georgia. Current temperatures across the area, 72 in Perry, 73 in Fort Valley, looking at 74 here in Macon. Down to the south, more of the same, 73 in Eastman and 75 waking up in Sumter County this morning. But all across central Georgia, the humidity is out there. These dew points, we're talking about mid 70s, 74 Warner Robins, 73 in Macon. The humidity is certainly going to be noticeable as you step outside on this Monday morning. Now, there's nothing to speak of on the radar picture, but yesterday we did have several showers and storms across central Georgia, and they were very isolated at times. It poured down near Pierce Avenue in Macon, but did not even rain up towards Tom Hill. That's how isolated they were yesterday, and saw numerous severe thunderstorm warnings as well. This boundary is draped across the southeast. It's helping our summertime shower and storm convection. It's not necessarily driving it, though. It's the heat and the summertime pattern that's doing that. Let's check out future view as we head through this 4th of July on into the noon hour. Notice we're starting to develop a few showers, mainly west of Interstate 75. But as we get into the afternoon hours, notice some pockets of heavy downpours will be possible. This is 9 p.m. Notice a majority of central Georgia will be dry, but 1 or 2 isolated downpours will be possible. They'll be quick movers, so if you do get one over your area, it will rain for about 20 to 30 minutes, maybe an hour, but then it will be out of there. So if you have any outdoor plans tonight, don't go canceling them, but just something to be mindful of. Maybe pack the umbrella or a rain jacket. And certainly if you see any lightning, hear any thunder, it's time to head inside if that does happen. On into tomorrow, maybe a little bit of a higher rain chance now, but this is a new model run from what we saw earlier, so I'm not entirely sold on that, but something we'll be watching for as we get into Tuesday, then into Wednesday, starting off dry once again with some more scattered showers and storms. This pattern is going to continue into the end of the week and on into the weekend. About a 40% chance of rain Friday, Saturday, and Sunday here in central Georgia. A quick check of the tropics this morning. Since Friday, we had Bonnie form and move into the Pacific. We also had Tropical Storm Colin form off the South Carolina coast and quickly dissipate. Now we're not looking at any development in the next 5 days, so some welcome news on that front. And I was looking at some of the longer range stuff. I do think a majority of July is going to be quiet. We'll pick up the activity in August. Temperatures headed into the 80s rather quickly today. 82 by about 10 a.m. up to 90 by about 2 p.m. A high temperature of about 93 degrees with those afternoon showers and storms. A few of those could be on the stronger side. Sunset tonight is going to be at 8:46 here in central Georgia. Also be mindful of the heat index today. Going to be above 100 for a few hours thanks to the humidity. 101 by about 2 p.m. back down into the 90s by about 9 p.m. tonight. Here's how the fireworks forecast shapes up across central Georgia. Look for temperatures in the 80s. Might feel a few degrees warmer with those scattered showers and storms across the area. Here comes the 7-day forecast. The rain chances going to be going down by the time we get to the middle part of the week. 20% for Wednesday, but the high temperatures going to respond and come up to 95 for Thursday and Friday. Then we're back down to 89 with a 40% chance of rain next Sunday.